Start.
School, stand and teach, attention, stand and teach, attention. Good morning to one and all. Myself is Sanskriti that from Standard CKB as an anchor of today's assembly. Worship prayer not to be performed with the lip but with the heart. So join your hands, close your eyes and start the prayer.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. The whole world around, the whole wide world around, the whole wide world around someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday.
Put your hands down. Today's pledge will be given by Anushka Satarkar. Be ready for the pledge. Start the pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Hello, my country. And I am proud of history and many heritage. I shall morning one and all. Myself is Aditi Shinde. Today date is 12 December 2022 and day is Monday. Today good thought is everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. Bye Swami Vivekananda. Thank you and have a nice day. Today our importance of the day life is today. So today's importance of the day will be given by Sarah Savan. Good morning, good morning to one and all. My name is Saira Sav. Today importance of the day is Universal Health Coverage Day. The purpose behind celebrating the day is to spread awareness of the need for strong and resilient health system. Thank you. Have a nice day. News headlines will be given by Gauri Gujbar. Good morning everyone. My name is Gauri Gujwal. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, national news. India will not tolerate any unilateral attempt to change. Second, state news. 10 Solapur and 55 Nasik villagers seek Maharashtra exit. Third, district news. Army to hold recruitment drive under the Agnipath scheme from December 23 in Ahmednagar. Fourth news. Rohit Sharma concerned with glut of injury. Thank you. Today's here short conversation will be conducted by Kyle Lavana and Garad Ayush. Hi. Hello. What is your name? My name is Lavana. What is your name? My name is Ayush. Tell me about yourself. My name is Lavanya. I am studying in standard secondary by school name Jijamata public school. What is your tale? Tell me about yourself. My name is Ayush. I am studying in second standard. My school name is Jijamata public school. Bhenda. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Now may I call birthday students, please come on the stage. Today they have 7 students' birthday, so wish them by singing your birthday song. 1, 2, 3, start.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Now may I request to our Honorable Principal Sir to guide our students.
Good morning everybody. Today is 12/12 and the year is 22. So 12/12/22. We are in the last month of this year. Today is birthday of Honorable Sri Sharat Chandraji Pawar Sahib. You all may be knowing that Honorable Sri Sharat Chandraji Pawar Sahib is one of the great leaders of our country. I've been from a Baramati, I am very fortunate of that one because I am living there in Baramati. We are having district police headquarters at Baramati. It is a taluka place. Huh? We are having government hospital in Baramati. We are having government medical college in Baramati. We have airport in Baramati. We have topmost administrative office in Baramati. We have very big swimming pool in Baramati. We are having 100 acres of Shiv Srushti, which is on the way of development, that is in Baramati. Agriculture college, that is there in Baramati. Engineering college, that is there in Baramati. Every office which has importance in Baramati, that all is there in Baramati. A very big MIDC is in Baramati. Dynamics company, Cyber Dynamics company. Almost in every corner of Maharashtra they are collecting milk. And that all collecting milk, we are not getting it in India. That every product they are making, they are sold in foreign countries. That much big Cyber Dynamics company is there of milk. Piaggio company, that is there. Bharat Forge, that company is there. New Lupin company is on the way of construction there. You will see on the road, you will see all the roads are very clean roads. Very, very big roads. Service roads are there from both the sides. A very big like Paris, that one construction is going on presently. And today, somewhat inauguration type of work will be done by Sunetra Vaini, but that is there today in Baramati. It will be like Paris. If you will stand there and you will take a selfie, you will find that it is as if in Paris only. That a very big circle they are making it upon one canal there. It is in the heart of the city. So many things are there. I will not talk about his political career. He is president of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha. He was president of ICC, the World Cricket Council. He was union minister. He was chief minister, and so many things. And he has completed his 82 years. In Diwali, he is there sitting in his chair and waiting for all the visitors to come there. Lakhs and lakhs of visitors, they are coming there. They are going from nearby him, and by another way they are going to another way. But a glimpses of that when that time he is saying, what is your name is Shankar Rao, your name is Ram Rao, you are Sachin, you are like this, you are like that, hey, you are daughter of this boy, this person. Like that he is saying to everyone, and then when they are passing by that way. The memory, that is very important. So we all are very fortunate that we are linked to him by our president of our institution. So once again we will have that birthday song for him, and we will again sing that birthday song. So let's start that birthday song, sir. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. School, stand up. Attention. Be ready for the national anthem and start the national anthem. Say loudly, Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. School assembly dispersed.